Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. First, verify your device meets minimum specs and free disk space. This prevents mid-install failures. Next, sign into or create the account required and have any license keys or payment ready. Finally, install necessary runtimes and drivers so the app won't error on launch. Once done, restart the device to apply updates and make sure your internet is stable. This short prep saves hours later. You now perform the core installation and configuration steps. Run the installer with admin rights and pick custom install to control components. This prevents unwanted extras. During setup, configure workspace layout, set autosave to a sensible interval, and enable GPU acceleration if your hardware supports it. After installation, import color profiles, brushes, and templates so you start with a productive environment. Once everything is set, open a sample file and test performance to confirm your choices and tweak settings as needed. You finish by completing a first full project to cement the workflow. Follow a step-by-step tutorial inside the app, produce and export final assets, and verify file integrity. Then back up your configuration and exported presets to the cloud or an external drive so you can restore quickly. If problems happen, check the app logs and reset preferences before reinstalling. Also update GPU drivers and runtimes. This targeted troubleshooting often fixes most launch or performance issues without losing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.